Right,
So we
hello,
clean up first.
Big Truffle Eats. We
should clean up.
have decided to start a YouTube channel. We're gonna be making our favourite dishes. Right, let's run through the ingredients. Right, as I was saying, we are making katsu curry today. So this is everything we're gonna need. We're gonna need 1 onion, a bit of ginger, a bit of garlic. That's all gonna get grated down and sauteed, is that the right word? I don't know. And then to that, we're going to add a little bit of turmeric and some curry powder. And then we're going to add a little bit of flour to that to make a roux. And then to our roux, we're going to add 300 mils worth of chicken stock. This is a chicken stock cube. We're going to put some water in that, water that down. Salt and pepper it as so. Whenever I usually use salt and pepper it, but when I do that bit, which we'll come to, and then once that is kind of, well, add the stock to everything. So surely, then we're gonna add some coconut milk, let it cool a bit, and then we're just gonna add some lemon juice, soy sauce, and sugar, and then that will be our sauce. Outfit change already. Right, I forgot. Then we're going to make some rice as well. We are going to show you how to make the perfect rice, aren't we? And then, yeah, we're going to do the chicken with the breadcrumbs. And all you need is breadcrumbs, eggs, chicken breasts,
And flour.
the flour we've got, and that is everything we need. Boom. Yeah, we've had some problem cutting the onion, but
it's not a very good onion. No, I am.
Little tip for your garlic, that's what I do. So you get the thing, push it down.
Most people do that.
And you go. And then you're gonna add in your onions. Hear that sizzle. And you don't want anything to burn. If anything, put it on a really low heat and just let it saute. And then everything's incorporated. You want to add
A little bit of sugar.
a bit of sugar, tiny bit of lemon juice,
Literally the tiniest bit. That's enough.
and then a little bit of soy sauce. And that is our sauce, katsu curry sauce, ready. On to the rice. As everyone knows how to cook rice, it's 1 part water, no, 1 part rice, 2 parts rice, so.
2 parts.
So yeah, 1 part rice, 2 parts water. So you just get anything to measure, so like we just use this, a cup. So we're gonna wash the rice. Perfect. So we want 2 cups of water in there.
Perfect.
We want to salt the rice. Bring the rice to a boil. Once the rice is boiled, turn it right down, cover it, and then we're just going to leave that for like 20 minutes. We're going to wash our chicken, and then that's ready. Then we want to put it in cling film. So what we're going to do is we're going to bash the chicken, because when we cook it, we want it to cook really quickly. Oh, okay, we'll put it in the breadcrumbs. And you want to add some salt as well, so just salt and pepper the breadcrumbs. Huh? Have you done it already? Add a little bit more, yeah. And then you want to like twizzle it. Fill up a thingy with oil. And put it on the highest heat. And right, in with the chicken. Perfect. We're going to show you how to get the coolest looking rice in town. A big reveal. Look at that. Perfect. Look how juicy it is. Oh my god. Look at that, perfectly cooked. This is the shot we've all been waiting for.
Which one do you want?
I don't mind, babe. I love the big one. Oh yeah. Right, and that is our version of Katsu curry. I think that looks banging.